With the customer counter from Solotech, you get full insight into the number of visitors to your location. The customer counter is wireless, two-directional, and consists of a transmitter and a receiver that can be placed at the entrance of your store or building. This customer counter registers both incoming and outgoing customers, and the data can be read directly on the display. No cables are needed because the included battery lasts up to 2 years. The system is easy to connect and allows the user to choose which counting direction is displayed. Our system works on the principle of an interruption of a horizontal infrared beam. The transmitter sends a pulsating infrared beam to the receiver. When this beam is interrupted by, for example, a person, this is detected by the receiver and the count value is displayed on the screen. You receive a transmitter, receiver, magnet, screwdriver, 2 fastening plates, 4 1.5-volt AA batteries, as well as an installation manual. Installing our system is quick and easy. Contact us today for more information on receiving your customer counter from Solotech.